the last category. 炒一鑊熟，炒到一鑊熟。or 炒一鑊熟 just means cook everything, literally cook everything into completeness. Like when you stir fry stuff, you want everything to be cooked, right? 熟 means cook, totally, completely cook. So the whole wok of stuff, 一鑊, the whole wok, or the whole wok, completely done. When you're stir frying stuff, everything is done. What does it mean? It means more of a suicidal mission. If I say I'm going to go on a suicidal mission with you, let's kill the enemy all together, regardless I'll blow up myself, that kind of stuff, to cause severe damage. Everybody get damage, including your enemies. So we will say 炒到一鑊熟，炒你一鑊熟, right? So it means everything in the wok all got burned up and cooked, destroyed. Okay. 炒埋一碟一鑊熟 makes same thing. I was jumping ahead of myself, but that's similar. 炒埋一碟 means stir fry everything together. 一碟 one dish. 炒埋一碟 means stir fry into one dish. 炒埋一碟 once you stir fry into one dish, you want them to be cooked, right? So 一鑊熟, same thing. The whole wok is completely done. So that's kind of like, regardless of the outcome, we want everybody to be damaged. Suicidal mission for revenge, right? 炒埋一碟一鑊熟. Okay. Last, not last, the next. 炒魷魚. 炒魷魚. What is 魷魚then? 魷魚 means squid. I don't know where this phrase came from or originated from. When you say we're stir frying the squid, that just means you are getting fire. You are getting fire. I guess the squid tastes good on the wok and smells good, and people think typical way of stirring fried stuff is like stirring fried squid. I don't know. But you're just getting fire. Or you come home the next day, you go, honey, 我俾人炒魷魚. 俾人炒魷魚 means I was fire. So 炒魷魚 just getting fire. And then next, 炒老細魷魚. What does it mean? What's 老細? 老細 means your boss. So you are saying 炒老細魷魚. You are firing your boss. What does it mean? You're quitting. You go to your boss, you say, 我炒你魷魚. 你 in this case is your boss, right? 我炒你魷魚. That means I quit. Or 我炒咗老細魷魚. 咗 is signifies completeness. Something has already been done. 我炒咗老細魷魚. That means I just quit today, right? Last but not least, 炒車. This has nothing to do with your career or anything. 炒車 means you got into a serious car accident. 車 means car. When you stir fry your car, imagine what do you get? You get a bunch of mess. Stir fry a whole car in the wok if you have such a big wok. But 炒車 means getting into big car accident. All right, I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.